In a separate video, I shared my recommendations for why you should save your continuing education unit certificates, and I also discussed best practices for saving your proof of attendance. Since then, several people have asked me, that's great, but how can I quickly get caught up if I have not been saving my CEU certificates along the way? Well, great question. After all, you most likely don't have loads and loads of extra hours just sitting there waiting for you to use them in order to log all of the certificates from your courses. So, here are my recommendations for getting caught up with saving your CEU certificates while at the same time setting up a system that will prevent you from falling behind. So, to catch up with archiving your CEU certificates, start with this month, work your way backwards month by month, and work your way back to the beginning of your current certification period. And if you don't have a certification, and it's fairly safe to cap it at the previous 3 years. How to quickly locate your proof? Here you go. Browse your calendar for courses. Search your email for keywords like the course session name, the word certificate or professional development or proof of attendance, and so on, those keywords. Next, download the PDF that they sent to you, and if there's no PDF, then save the email as a PDF of your proof of registration, any handouts, or other communication that shows that you attended. If this is critical for your certification, it could be worth your time to contact the provider for your official certificate. As far as how to make the time for this to happen, well, set 30 minutes on your calendar each week for the upcoming month. And if necessary, divide this into two 15-minute segments. After this month, set a 15-minute appointment with yourself on your calendar on the last workday of each month to remind you to capture any certificates from courses you've taken since the last time you saved everything. You can also procrastinate productively for the rest of this quarter. When you feel like procrastination is about to set in, you can procrastinate productively by working on this project. Set your timer for 15 minutes. This is long enough to make more headway with this, but not so long that it will completely knock you off track for the rest of the day with your other tasks. As I mentioned in other videos, even if you do not currently have to show proof of professional development or course completion certificates for CEUs, it doesn't hurt to follow these recommended actions now, since you never know what professional path you might end up taking.